Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best affordable table saws in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is DeWalt DWE7485 Table Saw. DeWalt is one of the most popular and reputable brands of power tools. You can even find a wide range of table saw options from DeWalt. This table saw is present in the second position in this article as you get many things for your money. It has a 15-amp motor that has a power rating of 1850 watts. Due to this, you can expect high performance from this 46-pound weighing table saw. You also get a variety of cuts, 24.5 inches of rip capacity for ripping 4x8 plywood or OSB sheet. One of the best things about this table saw is that it offers an excellent build quality to the user. Its blade spins at a high speed of 3,850 RPM that allows you to get clean cuts while cutting wood using this table saw. This blade has a total of 24 blades and is made out of carbide that makes it highly durable. Number 2. Our second best pick is DeWalt DWE7491RS 10-inch table saw. As mentioned earlier, DeWalt makes various table saw models that differ from each other in different ways. This also includes this model table saw that is much more compact and portable than the previous one. This table saw is one of the most compact table saw options available out there. And even then, it can offer a great cutting performance to its users that is quite similar to the previous table saw option present in this article. This is possible due to the 10-inch cutting blade that you get in this table saw. Its 24-tooth blade has a maximum rotation speed of 4,800 RPM and offers sharp cuts to the user. All of this is possible because you get a 15-amp electric motor in this table saw that has a wattage rating of 1850 watt. It offers a maximum cutting capacity of up to 32.5 inches that is quite great when you consider the size of this table saw. You also get a bevel cutting option with up to 0 degrees to 45 degrees adjustment. Number 3. Our third best pick is Rockwell BladeRunner Tabletop Saw. This is a popular brand that manufactures reliable power tools that offer superior power and performance to meet your needs. Some of its popular products are sonic rafter oscillating tools and accessories, saws, and sanders. This tabletop saw runs on 120 volts and uses a 5 inches blade to cut ceramic materials, plastic, aluminum, wood, and metals. Even though the tabletop saw is corded electric, you can easily carry it to and fro from your workplace. Thanks to the lightweight nature of the saw with only 15 pounds. You can adjust the gauge and make precise miter cuts within an angle of 0 to 60 degrees. The tabletop saw features a standard guard and knife system that allows you to scroll, cross, rip, and miter cuts. You can easily change the blade without using any tools. When you are not using the rip fence, miter gauge, and blade, you can place them in the base of the saw. The tabletop saw has a safety switch that prevents you from accidentally turning on the unit. Besides, there is a dust port that you can use to connect to a vacuum pump and clean the work area. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is SKIL TS6307-00 Table Saw. SKIL is known for making a wide range of affordable power tools. This is also true for its table saw models, including this model. This table saw is present in the first position in this article as it is the cheapest option present in this article. Even then, it can offer decent performance to its users due to its 10-inch cutting blade. Apart from being highly sharp, this blade is powered by a 15-amp electric motor that results in a decent performance. You get a cutting height capacity of 4x4 from this blade. A great thing about this SKIL table saw is that it comes with an inbuilt folding stand. As a result, this saw takes comparatively less space for storing in your garage while not in usage. But even then, it offers an ample working space of up to 25.5 inches. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Powermatic PM1000 Table Saw. This brand is a comparatively small brand of power tools when compared with other options present in this article. But it offers various heavy-duty power tools, including its highly powerful table saw. While this model table is one of the largest and slightly expensive table saws out there, it offers excellent performance to the user. This is due to the reason that it comes with a highly powerful 30-amp electric motor that is twice as powerful as other 15-amp electric motors found in table saws. It uses this motor to power a large cutting blade that offers a cutting capacity of up to 50 inches that makes this table saw perfect for industrial and heavy-duty usage. When combined with its great build quality, this table saw is one of the most durable options out there. You can use this table saw to cut at an angle using its miter gauge that pivots up to 60 degrees quite easily. Its 10-inch blade is powered by an electric motor that generates a power rating of 1.75 HP that is quite decent. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.